A significant operational success has been achieved yesterday morning. Heavily armed NSN KYA cadres had infiltrated from Myanmar and they abducted Sri Rawang Luang, who is chief of Lahu village from Tirap district, along with another villager named Shri Sunwang Hakun. He's an ex-ASM on night of 14th of November. It was appreciated that these cadres will attempt to take both the villages across the Indo-Myanmar border. Based on the available information and appreciation, Assam Rifles and Arunachal Pradesh Police launched a joint operation to intercept these insurgents and to rescue the civilians. In the early morning hours of 15th November, at about 8:15 a.m., one of the columns observed movement of 5 insurgents along with these 2 civilians moving towards Khogla village on Khogla Kaimai track. On being challenged, the insurgents opened fire on the column, resulting in injury to one of the soldiers in his hand. The Assam Rifle columns retaliated, and in the ensuing firefight, 3 hardcore cadres of NSN KYA were neutralized. The injured soldier was evacuated and is recovering well. Own troops took extreme care and exercised restraint while engaging the insurgents in order to ensure that abducted civilians are not injured. I am happy to inform you all that both the abducted civilians were rescued and are safe. The recoveries from the neutralized cadres include 3 sophisticated automatic assault rifles, including 2 MQ series weapons and 1 HK series weapon. Large quantity of ammunition and warlike stores were also recovered. The bodies of the slain insurgents, along with the recoveries, were handed over to Arunachal Pradesh Police at the encounter site. The operation is still in progress, and effort to intercept the remaining cadres is relentless. Assam Rifles and Arunachal Pradesh Police wishes to assure our population that security forces are fully geared to handle such situations, and our sustained operation shall continue with full vigor to ensure peace and tranquility in the region. Identification of the neutralized cadres of KYA faction operating from Myanmar is being ascertained.